Services Action is an integral part of the MYP curriculum, and it gives students a chance to take what they have learned in their curriculum programs and put it into everyday learning experiences. Simply put, Services Action is giving up your time to help others. At BSJ, students have had experience of this last year where they took on advocacy roles for a range of community partners. This year, we hope to take this a step further and look at providing items and services for these community partners in this time of need. So why are we doing Services Action in the middle year programme? Services Action will provide our students with a fantastic learning experience, not just to show what they have learnt in the classroom, but to take this out into the real world. Services Action will also prepare students for the diploma programme and the careers programme further along their school journey. We also have to remember that we are in an incredibly gifted position where we are fortunate to help others that need it in our local community. At this current time, during the pandemic, this is needed more than ever. One of the focuses of Services Action is about students taking control of their service activities. To do this, students should follow not just the IB inquiry cycle, but also use a range of tools that they have learned through MIT Compassionate Learning Systems. The focus of this is that students should always investigate first before taking action, spend time planning their service activities or projects, and then take action on these projects. Throughout this whole process, students should be reflecting on what they are doing at each stage. This will enable students not just to learn from these experiences, but also to improve what they have put in place.